Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how you can scrape Google AI overviews using Scrapingdog's Google Scraping API. So, AI overviews are the first thing users see on Google, and most scraping tools completely miss them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to extract them using Scrapingdog's Google Scraping API, both from the dashboard and with the help of Python. So, if you head back to your dashboard, let's start on the dashboard. Let's say if I pass a query by the name what is web scraping, and if I click on start scraping button and look at the JSON response, you can see AI overview data right here in the response. Now, sometimes instead of returning the data directly, the API might return a separate API call, which will be making an API call get request to an internal async Google URL. Now you need to make a get request to the URL to that particular API URL within 10 seconds. Otherwise, it expires and you get nothing. Now, if you want to integrate this particular API within your Python environment, then you can click on get code button, and you can click on Python and you can click on copy code button. You will get this whole code and you can then paste it in your working environment and you can just scrape seamlessly with our scraping APIs. Now, if you have any questions regarding this particular API or any other API, you can contact us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.